I'm shooting this video now to see how the quality is. I'm guessing it's pretty bad. We'll see though. We're gonna go ask the people, if I can open up a car, we're gonna ask the nice people at DQ if I can make a Sunday. Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good yourself?
Good.
Okay for you.
I would like a Blizzard,
Alright.
and I have a special request.
Okay.
Can I make my own Blizzard?
Like come back here and make it?
Yeah. And record myself doing it.
For what?
It is for an experiment that I'm doing.
Are you recording right now?
Yes, I am recording you right now.
Well, I'm not really sure if I'm going to get in trouble for something like that, so I just gotta kind of... You know, why not? Hey, you come back here.
Yeah, alright. Do you have a hat that I could wear?
Yeah, I got a hat in my car.
Yes.
Let's go open that spigot.
Which one?
This one, maybe.
This one?
Yeah.
Till when?
Till it fills up.
Alright.
That's fine, yeah.
Okay.
Slap on these bad boys on there.
Alright.
What kind you want to make?
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure it's all there good.
Okay. Oreo. So I just put in a bunch.
2 scoops it comes with. You can put in 3 if you want to let you.
I'm putting in 3. Sweet. I used to work at Burger King.
Alright, so you kind of know what you're doing.
No. No way.
Now, make sure to hold on to the collar.
Like this.
No, like hold it on the top, kind of.
Okay.
So it doesn't slip off.
Like this?
No, like this. I'll show you.
Like that.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
Use the foot pedal.
Oh, you fix get it first.
And get it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Holy cow.
Yeah, it's a little scary.
Hold on. Gosh. Wow, this is
It's
hard.
hard to fall.
I want to get it down in there, you know?
Maybe
You gotta turn it down a little bit for it.
Don't use your thumb, use your fingers.
That way. Has there ever been an accident? Alright, that's good. Right?
Yeah, that'll work. And you just take one of these spools, put it on the outside of it.
Okay.
There you go, man. You're good.
That's it?
That's it. Made a blizzard.
That's it.
You just toss that in the garbage right there.